Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no signal issue on your AOC monitor. So, if your AOC monitor turns on but says no signal, don't worry, it's usually not broken, it just can't detect input from your computer. Now here is the solution step by step. Step 1, check the cable connections. First, make sure the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is properly connected to both your monitor and your PC. Unplug the cable, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in firmly. If you have another cable, try using it. Sometimes the issue is just a faulty wire. Step 2, verify the input source. Press the Input or Source button on your AOC monitor. Cycle through the available inputs, HDMI, VGA, DP, until you find the one your computer is using. Sometimes the monitor is just on the wrong input mode. Step 3, check the PC output. If your computer is on but the monitor still says no signal, try connecting your monitor to another device like a laptop or console. If it works there, that means your monitor is fine. The issue is with your PC's graphics output. Try restarting your PC or reseating your graphics card if you're using a desktop. Step 4, test with a different port or monitor. So if your AOC monitor has multiple HDMI or DP ports, switch to another one, or connect another monitor to your PC. If that one works, the issue is likely with your AOC monitor port. Step 5, factory reset the monitor, optional. If nothing else works, try a factory reset from your monitor settings menu. Use the menu button, go to Setup/Reset, and confirm. This can clear out configuration glitches, causing the no signal error. Important notes. Make sure your GPU or motherboard ports are clean and not damaged. Avoid using cheap adapters or converters. They often cause connection issues. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix the AOC monitor no signal problem step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fix guides.